Spark modules on this fryer platform are mounted horizontally under the controller. They're covered with a sheet metal cover. Remove any barriers to removing the spark module. Remove the cover to the spark module. If replacing a fin wall module with another fin wall, the replacement is straightforward. Remove the cover, remove the wires from the module, remove the controller, in this case a touchscreen model. Loosen the 11/32 nuts securing the module box to the control box. Remove the sense wire. Position the sense wire on the new module. Position the module box under the controller. Replace the controller. Position the gas valve wiring harness on the module and the igniter cable. Reposition the cover.